today is Sunday. We are making a special recipe, spaghetti. So we cutted cabbage and the onions, carrots and mirchi. And we are already boiled the spaghetti. It also needs some time. So we also need soya sauce and pepper powder. And my mother is doing that. Look. We cut it into the small pieces. If you want to take a screenshot of these recipes, take it. Recipes. It will take 8 to 10 minutes to make it soft and eatable. My mother is lifting that. See, guys? It's a wiggly. So after 8 to 10 minutes, we'll meet it. Bye.